soft little things. I'm Andrea, and I've just received this lovely little card from a lady called Martha, who's all the way in the USA, in Iowa, and she'd already sent me some emoji dies, and she sent me some more. These are so cute. I'm really grateful for these. She's such a lovely, supportive lady, is Martha. Guys, let me just zoom in a bit so you can see them. There's these little, the little poos that you get. They're cute, aren't they? They look like sorted hats, Harry Potter sorted hats. Right, so as it's World Emoji Day today, I'm going to make a card using emojis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this lovely pineapple punch card, and I'm just going to punch out a load of emojis, and I'm going to make a little box for my emojis. So I'm just going to run some through the Big Shot, and then I'll be back with you. I'm not going to use the poo ones today. I'm just going to use the sort of traditional round ones. Okay, so I've die cut these emojis. They're so cute. And then what I've done is I've got some more pineapple punch. I'm going to make a little box to put them in. So this measures 5.5 by 5.5 inches, which is 14 by 14 centimetres. And then I've got a piece of Whisper White, which measures 5 by 5. So that's 12.7 centimetres squared. Okay, I'm just going to pop those to one side a minute and get my scoreboard. And I'm going to put the base of the box first. So all I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to score it at 1 inch on all sides. Okay, just going to be a shallow little box to put the emojis into. That's all I'm going to do with that one. And then with this one, I'm going to just move it slightly across, and I'm going to score it at 3/4 of an inch on each side. Okay, so I just moved it away from the edge about 1/16 of an inch. And then I'm just going to score it at 3/4 on each side. And that moving it away will just make the lid fit. Okay, cardstock there. So this is just a little bonus video that I'm doing today because it's Emoji Day. Just gonna burnish those score lines. Burnish these, making them exactly the same. Do it in exactly the same way. I've got some glue on there, and that's really silly of me because it's going to make things a little bit sticky and dirty if I'm not careful. Okay, so I'm just going to get my scissors. What scissors I'm using? Not those ones, I don't think. They're a bit chunky. Use these ones. And I'm just going to cut up the bottom right hand corner of each score line on the bottom right. Okay, just make that flat, turn it around and just cut up there. Well, that one a bit skew whiffed, didn't it? And then I'm just going to notch these in, just because I have gone a little bit skew whiff there. Right there. Just got that little bit there. Now I'm going to do the same to the lid here. So just cut there, up there, up there, and up there, and then just cut out. I'm just going to notch them in a bit. You don't have to notch, as I always say, it's up to you. But I'm going to because I want it. I want to. Oops. Don't do that. I don't even know how I did that, to be honest. I'm pretty sure this is Stampin' Up! Whisper Way, isn't it? So bits. Get rid of those. And then we can make the box, which is just a very shallow box, because it's only to hold a few little things. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these little emojis on. While they're just drying, I'm just going to pop some glue on these ends here. So you just put the glue on the right side on the tabs. Okay, and then you do the same with the lid. Put the glue on the right side and then just and then the lid just fits nicely onto the box. And there we have it, a little box for our emoji dies. Where did I put them? Oh, there they are. So that's going to save me from losing those now. Pop those in there and put my lid on, and now I'm not going to lose them, am I? How lovely is that? That's a cute box. I like that. That's really cute. So thanks for joining me for that. It was just a little quick bonus project. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a nice little box, that. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.